got a couple new things, well, 3 to be exact, and I've never seen them before. I didn't even know they existed. I got an email from Hermes.com, and it showed the Petite H collection. And I looked into it, I'm like, I don't know that I've seen this before, what is this? So I just decided I would take a look through the different options. I clicked on it and looked through, and then I decided, well, what is this exactly? It was the cutest thing ever. So let me get my explanation here. The Petite H creation in reverse is what they call it. It says, at the Petite H workshops, we do everything in reverse, or rather crossways. An object is born of existing materials, the latter breathing life into the former. This creation in reverse results from a unique creative approach based on surprise and transience. And it does say that the creations are produced as one-off pieces or very limited editions. These object stories are told at the Hermes boutique on the Rue de, I can't pronounce it, in Paris, making stopovers at Hermes stores across the globe. So, from what I understand, correct me if I'm wrong, it's kind of leftover materials from all the different bags and scarves and whatnot that they make. And they take the leftover materials and they figure out, what can I make using this? So it's kind of creation in reverse, which I really enjoy that idea. It's kind of a recycling, kind of a using what you have, kind of not being wasteful and not throwing, you know, bits and scraps away. So I found a few items that I thought were super cute and I wanted to share with you. Now, one of the situations though with this, I saw most of them, is you don't really get to choose your color, your pattern, or whatever. Many of them are surprise. They give you an idea of which ones, you know, it might be one of these. But when it comes to like scarf pattern or whatever, no, you don't get to choose. Sometimes I'll give you a colorway, so it'll be within this color frame or within this color frame, whichever one you click on. So these are a mystery to me too. Now, the first one, I got 2 of the same thing in this box. But this box has something in it that I'm really hoping is a certain colorway, one that I saw. So we'll see. And they are returnable if you don't like it. But it comes with a receipt, obviously, a cute little envelope explaining the process, explaining the return policy, all of that, which is really cute. And I got this in the mail quite quickly. It does have the receipt with it here too. Okay, so just, you know, it does have the receipt there. So that's a very nice thing. Let's open this one first. Oh, let's just hope it's the one I want. I thought this was a really cute idea. I really, really enjoy the fact that they use materials that they would normally not have a use for. And they get to create. It comes like this. And also just the whole sustainability of it all. I don't like, you know, to think that there's a lot of waste. So I think this is a really cool idea. The beautiful Hermes packaging, as usual. But really, check out the website. They have so many things. They have like shawls and, I mean, beautiful things. All right, let's see. It's made in France. Cute. I'm nervous. Ay, 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 ay. Okay, it's not the one I was wanting, but this is kind of cute. All right, this is a keychain. It's a little bent too. So this is a keychain using the leather bits and they're keys. And these are the colors that I got. This is the color selection I got. And right here on the key, it is stamped made in France. I don't know if you can see that. Just it's like embossed basically, or you know, embedded in there. But they're leather keys on a keychain. I figured this would look very cute as a bag charm. It could also work obviously well as a keychain. So yeah, very excited. Not the color I was hoping for, but this isn't bad. I'll need to think about that one. This is 2 different items, and I mostly did that because I thought of 2 different things I could use them for, but also it gives me 2 choices as to, you know, which ones are in here. It's great how they packaged this too. Look, it's very, very protected. Now what they called these online, they called them Christmas baubles. They're made out of the silk scarf material, and you don't know which color you're going to get, okay? So this will be interesting. Let's look at the first one. The Petite H. And this also says made in France. All right. Here's the first one. It's a Christmas bauble. It's a dolphin. You can hang this on anything, obviously. It doesn't have to be on a Christmas tree or anything. It could be a bag charm, and that's another thing I was thinking. This could definitely be a bag charm. So this is this side, and this is the other side. So depending on what color you wanted to go with for the day, you could easily wrap this around and put it on a bag of any sort. And I think that's adorable. And I absolutely love dolphins, and I love the sea, so I think this is beautiful. I didn't even realize that there were two different sides, basically. So that gives you even more use for it. So let's see what the other one is. It's cute. Again, oops, made in France. Here's one side, and it does have the tag here that is it says Hermes on this tag. This is the one side, and that's the other. That's so cute. I love how light it is. It wouldn't add any weight at all to the bag or whatever you put it on. I think that's adorable. It really is cute. And I love how you can use either side, depending on what, you know, if you're wanting to match it to an outfit or something. So this gives a lot of options. And they're soft. I couldn't resist. I thought these were adorable. Even the string is done in a scarf material. So how cute is that? I just think they are absolutely adorable. And like I said, I have two ideas of what I want to do with these. And I also knew that that would give me another choice if I really didn't like the selection that they sent. I need to decide if this is a colorway I want to keep. I will let you know. Yeah, let me know what you think, and I will talk to you guys really soon. Thank you so much.